Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to mark out the front piece for the scissors rack. That piece is 230 millimeters long by 30 millimeters wide by 18 millimeters deep. So I'm going to mark the trenches on the back of my piece. So I'm going to mark this with my face side and face edge mark. So this is where my trenches are going to go. So in order for me to figure out the size of those trenches, I need to refer to my working drawing again, and I'll see my dimensions here. So I'm going to place my piece down over so you can see them. So I need to put one trench over here on the left hand side, one trench over here on the right hand side, and then this trench which is tapered in the middle. So I'll get my tri-square, I'll place the stock of the tri-square against the face side. Remember, you can always lift up your tri-square, you should be able to lift up your tri-square and piece together. And this time, to get my first trench, I'm going to come in 30 millimeters from the right hand side, and always mark the measurements on the face edge. I'll measure over there 30 millimeters. Draw a light line. I'll make these lines a bit heavier so you can see them. And then measure over 20 on the face edge. I now need to do the same on the left hand side, so I'm going to turn this around, and again I'm going to measure in 30 millimeters and then 20. And as I said before, these lines will be light. I'm just making them a bit darker so you can see them. So that's the distance there, 30 millimeters and then 20, and that's 30 and 20. I'm now going to mark in that's where it should be. I'm now going to mark in my distance here for my taper. And as you can see here, it is 30 millimeters, sorry, not 30, 55 millimeters over here on the bottom. Okay, so from here, I'm going to measure over 55 millimeters. I'm going to turn the piece around like this. 55 millimeters. I'll just write that on, 55. And even though that measurement isn't given on this side, because the pieces are the same, they're symmetrical, that distance there would also be 55 millimeters. So from this edge, and that line there, I measure over a further 55 millimeters. Okay. Now, I'm now going to bring these lines around here onto my face side. Same thing on the right. That's where my trench will be removed. I'm going to bring those lines down here. And we're almost there now. I need to mark out my trench here in the middle, and I know that from there to there is 55, and from there to there is 55, but now I need to mark it out on the top, and that distance, according to my drawing, will be 50 millimeters. There's 50 millimeter roll from there, and also 50 millimeter roll from there. I'll measure that over. Draw a line there. and 50 on the right hand side. So now I have my lines. So now I want to join that line from there to there. So how will I draw that line? So to draw lines at an angle, what we use is our sliding bevel. So I'm just going to draw that line with my sliding bevel. Mark that line. Now the beauty of using sliding bevel is that you can just flip that around, and if you've drawn this correctly, the line from there up should be the same. And that's now going to be my trench. Now, and the last thing I need to do then is to mark the depth of the trench. The thickness of this piece is 18 millimeters. So if our trench is going down halfway, we need to set our marking gauge to 9 millimeters. So we should be able to adjust our marking gauge out like this by opening our tightening screw. If you need to put it in your vise, you can do so. So we set our marking gauge from the top of the spur to the stock to 9 millimeters. Tighten the tightening screw and check it. So from the face side, we're going to mark our trench, put a spur hole where you want it to finish, and mark your trench there. Another one here, spur hole, mark your trench like so, spur hole, turn it over, do the same thing. Now you could also put the piece into the vise, as I explained to you before, if that makes it easier for you. So there's our line for our trench. You mark with a pencil if you want to. There's the line for the trench again. And that's your piece marked out. Always make sure that you mark out your waist with X's to indicate what piece or what pieces you need to remove.